Welcome back. Let's get page 4 done. Okay, you have two systems here. Let's see, how can we solve these systems? It's kind of set up where you could do elimination. That wouldn't be a bad deal. I'm going to try elimination, or you have what the x equals. So you can also do substitution. So many decisions to make. I'm thinking I'm going to do substitution because I have the blob here and I can fill this blob in here. So I have 8 times 4y minus 5 equals, not equals, let me erase that. Okay, minus 6y. So I just distribute and I have 8 times 4 is 32. Y minus 40 minus 6y. Oh, all of this equals 38. Equals 38. Combined like terms. So 32 minus 6 is, do we know 26? Yeah, 26y minus 40 equals 38 plus 40 plus 40. We're going to get 26 equals 878. Oh, that's a 26. I wrote the 2 and not the 6. 26. Okay, and so 78 divided by 26. I'm going to use my calculator here. Where is my calculator? Oh, here it is. And my old brain, I just forgot what the numbers were. 78 divided by 26. So 78 divided by 26 is 3. Now, I know what the y is. Y is 3, but that's not what it's asking for. Of course not. They like to keep it hard on you. I'm going to take this 3 and plug it in right here. X equals 4 times 3 minus 5. X equals 12 minus 5. So that would mean A is my answer. Okay, let's go down to problems. Oh, look, it says, problem 6. Now we have problem 7. 7 is right here. Oh, what method am I going to do? Well, I definitely know I want to get rid of, I could do the substitution. There's all different ways you could do this, you all, but I'm going to do substitution. Or I could solve this one for y. You know what? I'm going to solve this one for y because I know that I can put this ugly thing into Desmos. So I'm going to do negative 6y equals negative 2x minus 10. And I'm going to divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. And I get y equals 1/3 x, 1/3 x. And this is plus, that reduces to 5/3. Look at this, guys. By solving for y, I see that these are identical. That means it's going to be infinite solutions. Now, my original plan was just to graph them, but by solving for y, I see that they're both the exact same line, and I know that that's infinite solutions. Okay? Here we go. 2 people went to Whataburger to buy hamburgers and drinks. They both bought the same type of burger and the same size drink. The first customer paid $16.80 for 3 burgers and 2 drinks. Oh, okay. So 3 burgers and 2 drinks equals $16.80. The second customer paid $31.75 for 5 burgers and but 5 drinks. This is like a Lush or something. 5 burgers and 5 drinks. It's not reality, but that's okay. Now, this you can see is perfectly set up to do elimination. The problem is I don't have anything to eliminate. Oh, so I can do where I multiply that first number. One's got to be negative. So I'm going to do -5 and I'm going to do 3. Okay, so I'm going to have to rewrite them and I'm going to have some pretty big numbers. So -5 times 3 is going to be -15b. And the cool thing is, this is just going to be 15b. So we're going to eliminate. That's kind of cool. And then we're going to have -10d. And we're going to have 3 times 5 is +15d. And then we got to multiply this last one, 1680 times -5. Let's do that right here. 1680 times -5, -84. So we have equals -84. And then 3 times 3175. 3 times 31. Was it 75? Oh, my brain is mush. 3175. Yes, 9525. 9525. Okay. So we eliminate that. We get a 5D equals 9525 minus 84. 9525 minus, what was it? 84? My brain, 84. Okay, 1125. So 5D equals 1125. And then D equals 1125 divided by 5. 1125 divided by 5. 225. Is D the drinks? Because that's what it's asking for. How much was each drink? 225. Now, remember, it might have asked for something different. If it would have asked for how much for each burger, I would have had to plug in the 225 and then recalculate. But my answer is 225. I'm going to stick with that one. Okay, we're almost done. We have one more page to go.